Video we are going to see what is StructType and StructFields in Pyspark. The StructType and StructFields are easy to define a schema or is part of the data frame. Guys, schema in the sense, for example, you have the table. Okay, assume that this is the table and it contain this is the data. Ram and Smith, this is the first name, last name. These are the languages or tools which is working. So what kind of data it is? Okay, whether it is belongs to string or integer, right? So this is called as a schema, guys. So it is helps to with help of StructType and StructField, we can define the schema for this data, and with help of the StructType StructField method is going to help you to add the data type, what kind of data type it is. And basically, this define the name and data type nullable flag for each column. So we can define the name and data type nullable flag guys for each column, whatever you utilizing the data set. And StructType object is a collection of StructField. So what StructType is actually collection of StructFields, guys. Okay, it is a one type of built-in that list that contain the list of StructField. It means struct object is an object. It contains the set of built-in data type and it contains list of StructField. Now it is available from this Pyspark.sql type StructType and Pyspark.sql type StructField. Then StructField, whenever anybody asking to use StructField means name data type nullable equal to true. You have to tell like this, and it is available from the Pyspark.sql type library. Now, here if you see in this example, I have created one schema, and here I'm creating a struct type. Why? Because I want to create a struct type object and it contains the struct fields. Now here the struct field, I'm mentioning each column name and what kind of struct type it is. Okay, so here name struct type, struct field, first name, struct type true, and these are the string type I'm mentioning, and here language for the array type I'm mentioning. Now, after creating the schema utilizing with help of struct type method, and now I'm creating a data frame. I'm creating one more variable df and spot that create data frame. This is the method, and data equal data means the data which I have here. Okay, these are the data which I have now mentioning. Now schema equal to this is the schema. Now after this one, I'm going to print the schema df.print schema. It will going to display the schema. What is like column name having the data type. Okay, so this is the name, this is the data type struct, and first name is the string. These are the way we can with help of df print schema we can print it. Now after this one, I'm displaying the data df.show. This will display full content of the column without truncation phase. Okay, if we mention truncate equal to false. So like this we can get the output, guys. Okay, this is about StructType and StructField in Pyspark. Next section we are going to discuss about filters. Thank you, guys.